98% of photographers will never make it. And that's because, oh, you're over here now. Nothing worth having comes easy. That sounds like the title of a short film. Oh, no. Now you might be like, why are you taking all these photos today? The answer is, because my parents need new artwork for their walls. Beautiful tree, building, boats. The challenge with Positano is that everything is amazing. Should have brought more rolls of this Portra 400, the meme stock of the year. But it just looks so good all the time. I know film photography might seem cliche, but there is something to the fact that I can't immediately see what I'm doing. I feel like this also goes back to memory, that if you are always living through a screen, you don't actually remember moments, whereas I feel like this way you actually remember the real-life experiences you have.
Maybe you've seen other photographers that are much worse than you, booking jobs that should have been yours. How do they do it? In fact, they probably stole a job from you this week and you didn't even know. They're undercutting you on price, and it's a race to the bottom where no one will win and everyone goes bankrupt. Do you want?
Oh, hey, sorry. Maybe that's a bit extreme, but it is a thing that's happening. People charging thousands of dollars less for a job than you and them booking instead of you. What is that problem, and how do you stop it from happening? Hello. Today, dream come true. Photographing a wedding for the yellow Power Ranger here in Positano, Italy. There's too many pastries. How did I get here? More importantly, how do you book this? How do you get here? Can I answer that question for you right now? Why 98% of photographers are not successful? Wow. 1, they don't specialize. 2, they don't understand their market. 3, they spend more time fixing their weaknesses than pushing forward their strengths. 4, they hire and outsource too late. 5, they're bad at SEO. Focal will help you. The slow creaking door. Time. You have not seen the passage of time as we've felt it here on this trip. We have been traveling cars and airplanes 18 hours. You've seen none of it. And I think that that's one of the biggest misconceptions to be a content creator, is how much time actually goes into doing things like this. That we began in Positano this morning. We were at a wedding yesterday. We traveled the 4.5 hours up here to a city I can't pronounce, but the name is on the screen.
Civita di Bagnaregio is a town in the province of Viterbo in central Italy, a suburb of the commune of Bagnaregio, 1 kilometer, 0.6 miles east from it. Bagnaregio is a commune located about 90 kilometers northwest of Rome and about 28 kilometers north of Viterbo. Elevation sits 484 meters. Population 12. Patron saint is Bonaventure. The mayor is Francesco Biggiotti. Local time as of this recording is 6 p.m.
Good morning. We're out here, bright and early. To get the good photos, you gotta do the things that other people don't do. Just waking up way too early and coming out here. to the city of, how do you say it, sir?
Civita di Magnoregio.
And we're just gonna sleep out here. See if we get a sunrise. It's a 50-50 shot today. This is the certified official spot of photography this morning. There's a few lookout points up here that are very nice, get the full vista. But what we discovered is these leading lines make a heck of a lot better photo. And with absolutely nobody up here on the bridge, it's just us. It's so weird. The stance is just as important as the photograph. Wow. It took me a long time. I had to ship the film back to Canada with Blair. He got it developed, scanned, and it was like, that was a week and a half round trip. And you just got the payoff right there so fast. This is a very easy, this is photography on easy mode. I think it's all of Italy, but specifically here in this city, it can't be named. Look at this. Look at all these photos. Millions of photos. And my parents would be so happy.
This man. Yeah. This guy. Danny DeVito. No relation to the actor. He's a failure. He committed the #1 sin, running a happy and successful business. He set only a financial goal. For him, money was the only thing on the list. When you choose the money, your business goes in 100 different directions, like a squirrel chasing nuts falling off a Ken Block drift car. Like Eric Floberg chasing Joe Greer running a marathon for his documentary.
To be successful in such an oversaturated field, you definitely have to go above and beyond what everyone else is doing.
So how do we wrap this up? You came here to learn why 98% of photographers will never make it, and together, now we've been on quite a journey. When it comes down to it, you're already on a pretty good track. You're here to learn, and you've stuck with it to the end. This is something that is incredibly rare. If I could offer you the advice that helped me the most, it is to be excited to learn the business side of photography. Find the medium you enjoy the most, whether it's audiobooks or YouTube or in-person workshops, and get out and push your learning forward. If you're willing to totally immerse yourself in the industry, the bookings and the business will come. And you'll be part of the small percentage that make it. Remember, nothing worth having comes easy, so work hard, enjoy the journey, find happiness in the day-to-day,
And tell that stupid Mickey just made my list of things to do today.